Fridger on meie tiimi Amiibo poolt HTML-is ehitatud programm. Seal on 3 peamist ideed. Retseptid, külmkapiseis ja ostunimekiri. 3. dimensioon lisab võimaluse valida toidueelistusi. Täpsemalt öeldes, kui inimesel on näiteks vegan toidueelistused, siis retseptide hulgas olevad retseptid kas asendatakse vegan omadega või retseptides muudetakse koostisomad vegan omadeks. Meil on 5 peamist kasutajat. Tavakasutajad saavad märkida toidueelistusi, lisada külmkapi asju, vaadata retsepte ja luua ostunimekirju. VIP-kasutajad saavad kõike eelnevat teha ja luua ka enda retsepte isiklikuks kasutamiseks või avalikud, mida kontrolliksid moderaatorid. Sealt järeldades on moderaator kokk, kes määrab ja muudab retsepte, mis on saadavalt kasutajale ja kontrollib üle VIP-kasutajate poolt lisatud retsepte. Support oleks siis see, kes aitab kasutajad nende probleemidega. Nad näeksid kasutajad, nende situatsioone, tasemeid. Admin oleks ülevaade kogule süsteemile. Saab muuda kõike, oleks nii-öelda head honcho. Loodame, et naudite meie poolt loodud täpsemad seletust, mis on esitatud tavakasutajale suunatud reklaami teel. Has this ever happened to you? You try to remember what you had to buy in the store, or you almost forget your shopping list at home, but you remember it at the last second? You open the fridge, trying to look for something, but stare blankly into an abyss, finding nothing. Or you try to take everything out to see if you have that one thing you need, and then everything you're holding falls to the floor and milk is everywhere, and now you're crying over spilled milk. Yeah, no, that totally hasn't happened to me. Well, you don't have to worry anymore. This is our Fridger app. With this new revolutionary product, you can add all the things you have in your fridge into a single app. If you want to add anything, just open the app, log in, go to the fridge and start adding. Either manually or by scanning the barcode, or by just taking a picture and letting our AI do all the work for you. But you can also add new products to a list of items to buy. Now you can always check what you have to buy and can also check what's in your fridge, wherever and whenever. No more pesky notes or trying to remember everything. But wait, there's more. With an amazing app, you can also set your preferences, and based on them, you will cater specific recipes just to your taste, or we will change recipes to be in line with your choices or needs. You can also change your preferences if need be, just click that Save Preferences button. And you don't have to worry about the quality of recipes, because they are moderated by our amazing team of professional chefs. This product is also better than some other products on the market right now that only show certain recipes based on your preferences, or might only show a limited amount of things you can do with the products you have. Get this product right now for free, or order now for just $4.99 a month, and you can add your own recipes to our list and they'll be vetted by a team of professionals. You will also get priority help from our support team, as well as supporting the work we are doing on this amazing product.